Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an app that I have found out that you can use in making money with your device you're using right now. If you want to make money, then smash that like button and also smash that black subscribe button to subscribe to my channel to see more future videos. But trust me, this app can't make you rich, but affiliate marketing can make you rich. If you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, let me know down there in the comment section. So the name of this app is TapSent, but do not go ahead to install this app, because things you put in your device or things you put in your phone has the tendency of damaging your phone and other documents installed in your phone. That's why you have to watch this video to the end so that you can understand how this app works and what this app tends to gain from your device and how you too can benefit from this app. So to install this app, what you just need is your Google Play Store or App Store. So I will go over to my Google Play Store. So here is my Google Play Store and I want to install this app. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here to my YouTube channel, and then click on the search button and then you search for TapSent. Okay, so once I search for TapSent, I'm going to something not far from what you guys should be seeing right now on your screen. As you can see, this is what you're going to be seeing. Now, how do people make money from TapSent? Now, you're going to earn money from TapSent by answering survey, by playing games. So answering survey and playing games helps you make money from TapSent. So go ahead before watching this video. So after you've watched this video, go ahead and install this app. And now let me show you how the app works. So once you have installed it in your mobile device, this is what you're going to be seeing, just exactly like this. Now you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's not going to open up newly. I just created a new account to show you guys how it looks to be a new user using TapSent as a way of making money. So once you open the app, it's going to bring you over to where you are asked to sign up. And to sign up, you just need your email. You don't need any password, and that email, they're not going to be sending you any code to your email. But you just need your email. So once your email is verified, your TapSent is going to open. As you can see, people are making tons of dollars out of this. Let me just wait for it to open so that I can show you guys how the user interface looks like. Okay, as you can see, if you create a new account, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. As you can see, the amount I've made from this new account I just created to illustrate to you guys how it works is just $0. So how do you make money from this? You make money by any survey. So once you're new to the app, the first survey you will get, which is 5,000 coins, which is 5,000 coins that this you're going to be making. What you just have to do is just to complete your profile. So once you complete your profile, you're going to be getting 1,000 coins for free. So the gaming part of it, you're going to click on this part where it says earn by games. So once you click on earn by games, it's going to bring you over to games that you can play right now to start earning money. Okay, as you guys can see right now, these are games that you can play. As you can see, this one $10, this one $12, this one $10, this one $12, and many other games that you can play now. So once you just do all of this, you see your money reflecting up right here as your balance. You see money reflecting up right here as your balance, whether in coins or in dollars. Now if you want to withdraw your money, you're going to click on this arrow button right here. As you can see, it's going to show you withdraw funds. So I'm going to be clicking on withdraw. As you can see, I want to get your money through bank transfer. So it depends on the particular one you want to choose, whether PayPal or bank transfer. So just come over here and start making money, just like each and everybody out here is making money out of TapSent. I hope this video was quite educative and informative. Please give this video a like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.